Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about how to eat for your blood type. So what is the blood type diet? The blood type diet is a restrictive diet that suggests people to eat certain foods based on their blood type to improve their health. But before we hop into today's videos, we have a word from our sponsor at MIDI Health. As you guys know, I struggle with PCOS, and one of the side effects of PCOS is weight gain. So I wanted to partner with MIDI Health to bring you guys a safe and affordable solution to gain access to prescription weight loss medication. So weight gain can be incredibly frustrating, and finding effective solutions can be just as difficult. Some people can even develop serious health conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure. And many of us don't have the time to consistently prepare healthy meals or exercise regularly. And we've tried absolutely everything and nothing is getting the weight off. I remember with my PCOS journey, the first time I noticed I started gaining weight rapidly. I had gained 10 pounds in 1 month, and I was so scared because I mostly was able to maintain my weight throughout my life. But with PCOS, I noticed that no matter how hard I worked out, no matter what diet I did, it was just super hard to get the weight off. So I know for a fact MIDI Health can be helpful for me and anyone else who resonates with my experience. So MIDI Health is a virtual care clinic that can prescribe their compound semaglutide as a weight loss medication, as well as any other necessary medications virtually if it's necessary to you. This medication has the same active ingredient as a lot of name brand medications such as Ozempic, and sometimes it is not the fact that you are working out or you're eating right. It's not, those aren't the reasons why you aren't losing weight. Sometimes it's literally just your hormone. Unfortunately, a lot of these medications aren't always covered by insurance, putting it out of reach for many people who may be in need. And MIDI takes insurance in all 50 states, so this could be an affordable and accessible option for weight loss. To start, you'll connect with your clinician virtually in the comfort of your own home, and they will come up with a plan specifically for you. And this plan will be based off your symptoms and your health history. The clinician can also order your necessary labs and blood work. So MIDI's team is available through messaging, email, and phone support, and they will also follow up with you virtually and also refer to you any in-person treatment if needed. You don't need any membership fees or hidden costs. MIDI will just bill your insurance just like any other healthcare provider. You can go to trymidi.com/Miriam to book your virtual visit with your clinician who can prescribe your weight loss medication. Use my code SAVE15 to get $15 off your first RX product with your booked visit. Thank you, MIDI Health, for sponsoring today's video. So let's hop into the blood type diet. So the blood type diet was popularized from a 1996 book called Eat Right for Your Type. And it basically is supposed to help with digestion and energy levels and all the stuff that I need. So once I came across it, I was like, I have to give it a try. I just have to. So we're going to start with the blood types A. So what should blood type A specifically eat in this diet? So for this routine, they suggest that blood type A should most eat vegetarian. They do have some meat suggestions as well. So for fruit, they suggest that you eat blueberries, cherry, grapefruit, pineapple. The meat options are tofu, turkey, chicken, salmon, and sardines. So for vegetables, you should eat broccoli, carrots, kale, pumpkin, and apricots. They also suggest that you should eat eggs, soy milk, and flour. The foods they want you to avoid: steak, pork in the meat category, lima beans, eggplants, tomatoes. They also want you to avoid whole milk and carbonated drinks. So like any type of soda, pop, those type of things. Moving on to type B, they want you to eat a more high dairy diet. So they suggest that you eat cottage cheese, any type of cheese, goat cheese. They also say that you should drink cow milk, mozzarella cheese, yogurt, heavily for the dairy. For the meat, they want you to eat lamb, cod. They also want you to eat eggplants, grapes, cherries, peppers, almonds. For the vegetables, they say beets, broccoli, carrots. And they also have on here kidney beans and oat bread. For type B, they want you to avoid chicken. So no chicken, no corn, no soy, no lentils. So So that is what they want you to avoid the most. So type AB is kind of like a mixed diet. So you can have a mixture of type A and type B. They suggest that you eat like a lot of fruits and vegetables. So watermelon, cauliflower, garlic, figs. They also want you to eat dairy as well in type AB. So eggs, goat milk, yogurt, mozzarella cheese. They also have like a lot of nuts for the AB option. They want you to eat walnuts, lentils, tofu, curry. You can drink white wine. Lucky you. And for the meats, they say turkey, cod, lamb is the best options for type AB. So foods to avoid for AB: chicken, corn, bananas, fava beans. I'm not sure what that is, but they want you to avoid those options for type AB. So moving on to type O. Type O is known as the hunter, and type O is supposedly one of the oldest, if not the oldest, blood types. So you are looking at a very high protein animal based diet. So for type O, you can eat beef, you can eat lamb, you can eat fish, you can eat poultry. So basically all of the meat options you can have on type O. I'm so jealous. Okay, so for like fruits and vegetables, you have a lot on this list as well. So you can eat kale, onion, spinach, bananas, sweet potatoes, feta cheese, almonds, ginger tea. They also have eggs and butter on this list. Artichokes, mango, parsley, olive oil, and flax seeds. So you can have all of that with the type O diet. So for type O, they really want you to avoid wheat, soybean oil, nuts, kidney beans. So yeah, that is basically the blood type diet in a nutshell. And you know, all diets are gonna work for some people, not gonna work for others, but it's definitely worth a try. I think since I've been doing the diet for my blood type, I've experienced positive feedback and positive results from it. I feel a lot more energized. I feel like my skin is getting a lot better because my skin was breaking out at one point. But definitely give it a try. Or if you've already tried this type of diet before over the years, let me know what is your experience like in the comment section below. I would love to hear. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton or at MH Hair Care, and I will see you guys next time.